Can you imagine something stronger than a diamond? For years, diamond has been known as the hardest natural material on earth, but that might be about to change. Scientists in China have created a new material called hexagonal diamond, a rare form of diamond with a different structure. In normal diamonds, carbon atoms are arranged in a cube shape, but in this new diamond, they are arranged in a hexagonal pattern, like a honeycomb. And this small change can make a huge difference. This material was first found in meteoroids, like those from Canyon Diablo, but scientists weren't sure if it was truly a different material. Now, for the first time, they have created pure samples in the lab using extremely high pressure and temperatures over 1000 degrees Celsius. When tested, it turned out to be even harder and more heat resistant than regular diamond. Imagine what this could mean: stronger cutting tools, faster drilling, and machines that last much longer. It could even help scientists understand the history of our solar system. So, in the future, the strongest material on Earth might not be diamond anymore, but something even more powerful.